How to open an OKX account. Hello everyone! OKX is one of the leading cryptocurrency exchanges with many unique features and competitive fees. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of opening an OKX account. To open an account and get attractive offers from OKX, visit coinaz.net/OKX. Or you can click on the link in the description of this video to open an OKX account. Let's get started. To open an account, click here to verify your country and agree to OKX's terms and conditions. Click Next. First, enter your email address. Then click Sign Up. OKX has sent a verification code to your email. Please check your email. This is the email OKX sent me. If you don't see the email in your inbox, click More. And check your spam folder. Now, I'll open the email from OKX. This is the security code. Please copy it. Enter or paste the copied code here. Add a mobile number here. Click Verify Now. A verification code has been sent to your phone. Please check your phone messages and enter the code here. Next, create a password for your account. Please note that the password must be at least 8 characters long, with at least one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one number, and one special character. I will give you an example on the screen for your reference. Click Next. You've successfully created your account. But to deposit and withdraw funds, you need to verify your account. Click on this icon. Click Verification. Let's verify your account. You can choose individual verification or institutional verification. I'll choose individual verification. Click Verify Identity. Click Verify Now. Click Next to confirm where you live. In this step, you can choose the type of ID you want to use, such as a citizen identity card, passport, driver's license, or residence card. I'll choose citizen identity card. Then, click Next. To continue, scan this QR code with your phone's camera app. Please have your citizen identity card ready and make sure you capture the entire image clearly. Click Start Verification. Click Allow to use the camera. Please take photos of the front and back of your document according to OKX's instructions. Then click Next. Click Next to verify your face. Please place your face in the frame and follow OKX's on-screen instructions. Now, return to the OKX website on your computer. Identity verification is complete. The review result will be sent to your email within approximately 2 minutes. Next, I'll guide you on how to secure your account. Click on this icon. Then click Security. There are several different security methods available here. I'll choose Authenticator app. Click Set up. Click Link Authenticator app. Enter the verification code that OKX sent to your phone number. Continue to verify with email. Please go to your email to get the code and enter it here. To link an authenticator app, there are many download options. I'll download the Google Authenticator app. If you've already downloaded the app, click on I have downloaded an app. Then, proceed to scan this QR code. If you don't have the app yet, I'll guide you on how to download it on your phone. In the search bar, type Google Authenticator. This is the app you need to download. Click on this icon. Click Open. Click Get Started. Choose the Google account you want to link. Then click Continue. Click Add a code. You can scan a QR code or enter a setup key. I'll choose Scan a QR code. Click Allow to let Authenticator use your camera and start scanning the code. This is the Google Authenticator code. Now, go back to the OKX website on your computer. Click Continue. Enter the Google Authenticator code here. You have successfully linked the Authenticator app. Goodbye, and see you all in the next videos.